Hey everyone, Deep here. In this video we are going to talk about the uptime of a computer system. So if you are having problems or having issues with the uptime of a computer system, then follow along in this video. So what happens if you shut down your computer? For example, if I go to the start button and click this particular power button option, so you can see the shutdown option is written over here, this option. So it doesn't actually shut down your computer. So how you can check it? You have to right click on the taskbar and select the task manager option, and after that you have to go to the performance tab, and you can see just 3 minutes ago I have opened the computer system and it's running for about 3 minutes, but your uptime can be even more in this particular time frame or in this particular time. So how to bring this down and how to reset this particular option, we will certainly look at that. So the option you have to take is the control panel. So after going to the control panel, you have to go to hardware and sound, and you can also make it as large icons, and you have to find the power option. So you can see the power option over here. So I'm clicking on this power option, and after that you have to click on this, choose what the power buttons do, and after that you have to take this option, change settings that are currently unavailable, and you have to turn this particular option on, which is by default enabled with your Windows 10 Home or Pro both, and also with Windows 11 as well. Turn on fast startup recommended. This helps start your PC faster after shutdown. Restart isn't affected, so it doesn't affect the restart. So if I take this and click save changes, and if I shut down my computer, then the uptime will be even more. It won't reset, but you have to uncheck this particular option, and you have to click on save changes, and then you have to restart your computer once, and you will see that your uptime has been reduced. So this was I think an very good information for you all. And also I want to mention that if you reduce your uptime, then what it does actually is your hardwares don't get ruined, because once you shut down your computer and you're thinking that, oh, my computer is shut down and I'm okay with it, it's not. It's actually causing you a lot of problems behind. So you have to be aware of that. Your motherboard, your processor, your SMPS, that is the power supply, your hard disk, your SSD, your RAM, everything will be affected if your uptime is running and your computer is running actually. So thanks for watching this video, and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in computer tips and tricks, and also computer tutorials, programming languages, and overall computer education. Subscribe to this channel. I will see you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.